Printing is one of the most important parts of running a photo booth business with iPad. It can also be one of the most frustrating. Today I'm throwing away the Aircraft Pro, the WCM, and all those gadgets that can make it very hard for you. Instead, I will use something that you probably already have, aka a laptop, to show you the single and most efficient way to print with Lumabooth. Spoiler alert, it also works with pretty much any other photo booth software. Here is what you will need: an iPad running Lumabooth, a professional printer. Today I'm going with the GNP GS620, a laptop or desktop, Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter, just to run Lumabooth Assistant app. And of course, the correct printer drivers. Quick warning, do not use inkjet printers for photo booths. They're slow as fudge and ink cost alone will kill your profits. Step number 1, you want to install the Lumabooth Assistant app on your computer. This is the bridge between your iPad and your printer. In other words, your printer is wired to the computer and your iPad should be on the same Wi-Fi network as the computer. The way it works is pretty simple. The iPad sends the print job to the computer, who sends the job straight to the printer. Here is how. On your iPad, you open Lumabooth, you go to Settings, you go to Print Setup, you go to Select Print Method, toggle Lumabooth Assistant and tap Download. Or you can just skip all those steps and click the link below to get both Lumabooth Assistant and the GNP printer driver so you don't have to go digging. Part number 3 is connecting your printer. Now let's connect the printer to your computer. On Windows, you want to install the GNP driver that goes with your printer model. Plug your printer in via USB and you open Lumabooth Assistant. If you do not install the driver, you will not be able to find your printer on your computer. And once again, I got you covered. The GNP printer driver link is down below in the description so you don't have to waste time like I did. On Mac is the exact same thing. Now inside Lumabooth Assistant, you go to printer settings and you select your connected printer. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the status light turn green in both Lumabooth and Lumabooth Assistant. That means your iPad is talking to your computer and your computer is talking to the printer. Now let's set up the network. There are 3 main ways to connect your iPad to your computer. Number 1, Wi-Fi. You can use your own router or hotspot. You just make sure both devices are on the exact same network and frequency. Don't mix them. Avoid using the venue's Wi-Fi. Most of the time it is unreliable. The second method is Ethernet. It is the most reliable. You want to connect your printer to the router with an Ethernet cable. And for the iPad, you want to use a Lightning to USB camera adapter or USB-C to Ethernet adapter and plug it into the same router. This is rock solid for big events. Number 3, you have the direct cable. This one works for Mac only. If you are on a Mac, you can connect your iPad directly with a USB cable. This is the simplest and fastest option for Mac users. But today, we are going with option number 1, which is the Wi-Fi option. But as always, I wanted you to know that there are other options available out there. Now let's configure your printing settings inside the Lumabooth app. You want to go to Settings, Print Setup, and enable the print button if you want guests to decide when to print. Or you can just turn on automatic printing so every session prints a copy automatically. You can also limit the number of prints per event or per session to save paper. Let's do a test print now. You want to launch the event, take a quick photo, hit print, and you should see your printer come alive. Now for 2x6 strip printing, here is how to set that up. In your LumaBoot event, make sure you have selected 2x6 template. In layout settings, check the box that says print 2 per page. This tells the app to put 2 strips side by side on a 4x6 sheet. If you don't select this, it won't work. This is not the Aircraft Pro, so carefully follow my instructions. Now you go into LumaBoot Assistant, printer settings, advanced, and you go to 2-inch cut and switch it from disable to enable. And that's it. Now your printer will cut the 4x6 print into 2 perfect strips every single time. Now before I move to troubleshooting tips, I wanted to give a huge thanks to Kyla and Anthony for purchasing our Photobooth Starboot this month. You can find the most versatile photo booth on the market at bootcorner.com, and from now on every photo booth will come with this beautiful add-on for a premium look on your camera. You get the complete list of equipment needed to perform the booth, a free editable photo booth contract to get you started in the best way possible, and also video resources to be able to set up your booth effortlessly. This is a steal for the value, and if you think this is expensive, you are not likely to attract premium customers ever, because you are what you attract. And if you are cheap, you know exactly what kind of clients you will get. Paying in multiple installments is now live, so you can get your booth now and take advantage of the holiday season to give a boost to your business. You know what to do, right? Now let's move on. Here are the most common issues and fixes. Status light isn't green. Make sure both devices are on the same network and local network access is enabled on your iPad. Mistake number 2, printer is not showing up. You want to check if the printer is powered on and drivers are installed. Mistake number 2, photos not sending. On Windows, you want to disable your firewall. Firewalls often block LumaBoot from talking to your printer. When you install the drivers and LumaBoot Assistant, a ton of pop-ups will come up asking for permission. Please allow everything. You don't want to have firewalls and permission issues. Other issue, strips printing wrong. Check that print 2 per page is enabled in LumaBoot, and also check that 2-inch cut is done on in LumaBoot Assistant. Sometimes when you hit apply, it doesn't go through. You just have to hit like OK and just move on. 9 times out of 10, it's a small setting that got missed. And that's it, guys. Your complete setup to print with LumaBoot. And just to recap, you want to use a reliable printer. You want to install drivers in LumaBoot Assistant. You want to connect via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB. And don't forget to check your cut settings for those perfect strips. If this video helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me what printer you are using, and subscribe for more tutorials. Once again, thank you guys for watching.